Explanation of Article 303 of the Indian Constitution. Article 303 is part of Part 13 of the Indian Constitution, which deals with trade, commerce, and intercourse within India. It places restrictions on both Parliament and state legislatures regarding trade policies to prevent discrimination between states. However, it also provides an exception in cases of scarcity of goods. Key provisions of Article 303. 1. General restriction on favoritism and discrimination, Clause 1. Neither Parliament nor any state legislature can make laws that favor one state over another in trade and commerce, discriminate against a particular state in matters of trade and commerce. This restriction applies to all trade-related laws in the Union List, State List, and Concurrent List, as per the 7th Schedule. This ensures fair economic policies and prevents bias in trade laws that might harm certain states. Example: Parliament cannot pass a law that gives Maharashtra a special subsidy while denying it to Karnataka. A state cannot pass a law restricting the movement of goods from another state. 2. Exception in case of scarcity, Clause 2. If there is a shortage of essential goods in any part of India, Parliament can override Clause 1 and impose trade restrictions or preferences. To exercise this power, Parliament must declare in the law itself that the restriction is necessary due to scarcity. This allows the government to prioritize fair distribution of scarce resources. Example: if there is a severe shortage of wheat in a state like Assam, Parliament can pass a law restricting wheat exports from other states to ensure fair supply. If fuel supplies are limited, the government can control distribution to prevent a crisis. Objective of Article 303. Ensures fair trade policies between states. Prevents economic favoritism and regional discrimination. Allows special interventions in times of crisis to maintain economic stability. Thus, Article 303 upholds free and fair trade within India while allowing the government to intervene in emergencies. The Constitution of India. Part 13. Trade, commerce and intercourse within the territory of India. Article 303. Restrictions on the legislative powers of the Union and of the states with regard to trade and commerce. 1. Notwithstanding anything in Article 302, neither Parliament nor the legislature of a state shall have power to make any law giving, or authorizing the giving of, any preference to one state over another, or making, or authorizing the making of, any discrimination between one state and another, by virtue of any entry relating to trade and commerce in any of the lists in the 7th Schedule. 2. Nothing in Clause 1 shall prevent Parliament from making any law giving, or authorizing the giving of, any preference or making, or authorizing the making of, any discrimination if it is declared by such law that it is necessary to do so for the purpose of dealing with a situation arising from scarcity of goods in any part of the territory of India.